SVR issues, SVR. Who is this? This DC. Hold on. I'm gonna pull this up. DC. Let me just see it. KEC is going. 42 going. Yes, it is.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southern Montgomery County in central Maryland, central East Georges County in central Maryland,
Yeah, it's considerable. It's considerable. Okay, there goes AR Alert WX spamming with the Storm Prediction Center stuff again. Now, what FMs are going off? I'm pretty sure WAIW is relaying.
Matter if you're sitting in your
concentrated in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from at 60 miles per hour.
Okay, you need to be on.
Central Prince George's County, West Central Anne Arundel County, Southeastern wind.
The city of Alexandria in northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Broadlands to 7 miles west of Dale City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Tactics include continuous cloud to ground light monitoring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck. Localized power outages are possible. This is the NOAA Weather Radio. The National at a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. In Centerville, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Bowie, Annandale, Clinton, Foley, Springfield, College Park, South Riding, Fort Washington.
Since the very beginning of
This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.